What's up, everybody? Oh, it's been a long time since I've ridden. I thought you were gonna go. We were about to throw hands. Anyway, it's been a long time since I've got on the bike. It's been cold out. It's still cold, but I'm out anyway because it's like in the 50s, and that's been amazing compared to what it has been. The only day it was decently warm, it was raining. So here we are. Had a pretty eventful day today. Went to a gun show, went to a gun shop, looking at gun stuff. Trying to get my girlfriend a everyday carry. I think she likes the Glock G43X. So yeah, and she's got an AR, short barrel AR pistol, similar to mine. Oh, look at that beautiful sun! Yeah! But man, it's been a while since I've been on the bike. I had to charge the battery because it was dead, because I haven't touched it in so long. But I got back on, it's like I remembered everything, you know? Just like riding a bike. Yeah, just wanted to make a quick video. I know my GoPro only has like a little bit of battery, so I can't make a long video if I wanted to. But I just wanted to put something out, let you guys know I'm alive. It's just cold. So yeah, I'll try to make videos when I can, I guess. I don't know. I do need to make a video reviewing not really the car itself, but like some of the things I've done to the car, and now the color changing headlights. I do want to get a video about them to let you guys know my opinions and thoughts on that, since it is like a brand new product on the market. And I did have some issues with it, so I kind of want to talk about that, but we'll see. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys are having an awesome time. I hope you're having a lovely winter, Thanksgiving, Christmas, whatever you guys celebrate. I don't even care. And yeah, I'm gonna make some gun videos soon. I should review, like, you know, the optics I use, and I don't know, I can review a lot of stuff. Those cheap rounds I use, like, that have worked perfectly for me somehow. I got a lot of stuff. I can just take you in a little look of the life. Little everyday life of me shooting guns in my backyard at random targets that I drew up. What do you guys carry or have? What do you guys have for weapons? Do you guys carry weapons? Do you guys have an EDC? I do. Sitting at the four-way. I'm putting my legs on the ground like I'm running. I think it makes me go faster. Plot twist, it doesn't. I could have made that. Oh well. I know, I'm so nice. Look at me letting people cross the crosswalk. I already had one guy tailgating me earlier today in a big old truck. Just got behind me and like would not back off because, you know, I don't know, he wanted to show off to his boyfriend or something, I guess. My backseat passenger may have given them the bird, but it'd be like that sometimes. I hate people. I just want to throw that out there. Hate people. People are so mean. People are so evil. I just don't like them. Anyway, yeah, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys have an awesome day. And I'll try to make some videos when I can, when I'm not freezing to death. But yeah, peace out, Girl Scouts.